If you're in your 20s, you're in an important financial period due to time on your side. In this guide, we discuss practical steps for building wealth in the UK. Start investing early, even with small amounts, as consistency matters more than income. Aim for £100 per month from 20 to 60, with a reasonable return, which can grow to over £200,000. Start early. Invest using an ISA. Choose a global index fund and automate the monthly deposit. Establish an emergency fund for financial stability and longevity, set at 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This step creates a financial buffer. Another important aspect is avoiding lifestyle inflation. So increase your savings or investments when your income increases. Develop high-value skills such as data, coding, sales, digital marketing, project management, and skilled trades for increased income opportunities. Many do not need formal qualifications. Merely persistence and willingness to learn. Avoid harmful debt, prioritizing debt repayment while considering student loans or manageable mortgages for a stable financial plan. Maintain low fixed living costs and create a gap between your income and spending to build wealth. Your 20s don't need to be perfect. You simply need to begin. Start investing early, build safety nets, learn valuable skills, and avoid the traps that keep many people stuck. These habits, repeated consistently, can transform your financial future. If you found this guide helpful, you're welcome to stay with the channel for more clear and practical explanations on investing and personal finance in the UK. You can subscribe to follow future episodes, and you'll be notified whenever a new breakdown is released. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.